Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Okay, I am Rival Putra Pratama. I am from English department. In this video, I am not alone. I'm with my friends, Vera and Cynthia. I am as a moderator, Vera and Cynthia as a speaker. Now, I and my friends will present the report of our project with the topic effective communication skill in work environment, especially in English. For the first point is about the introduction. The speakers is me. I will be explaining the introductions. So, in today globalized world, effective communications is crucial for English language teachers. This report examines the communication skill of English teacher at Junior High School 5 Jambi City, focusing on their practice and the obstacle they face in fostering student communication skills. Yeah. And now I want to talk about our planning when our group was working on a project. Okay, on October 28th, our group convened to discuss our project. We decided to reach out to Mrs. Eka from Junior High School 14, Jambi City. Unfortunately, she wasn't available due to a busy schedule. Upon her recommendation, we contacted Mrs. Maria, who was also unavailable either. Then, Rival, I am, suggests we contact Mrs. Lisma, another teacher at Junior High School 14, Jambi City. Mrs. Lisma agreed to be our resource person and schedule an interview observation for November 5th. And we prepare 6 interview questions and assign roles. Yeah, I am, Rival will conduct the interview, while Krista and Cynthia will documentation the process. Okay, that's all my explanation. The next speaker is Farah. For the Farah, the time is yours.
Okay, thank you to moderator. In this, I will explain about the implementation in making project. So, on Thursday, November 5, 2024, our group conducted a series of research activities at Junior High School 5 Jambi City, focusing on interviews and observation about effective communication skills, practice, and challenges to English teacher. So, the interview with Miss Lisma as English teacher at school that took place from 10:40 a.m. to 12 p.m., during which she was very cooperative, providing informative and clear answer to the question we had prepared. This engagement helped us understand the context and dynamic occurring at the school. However, after the interview, Ms. Lisma informed us that we could not conduct direct observation in the classroom because the students were participating in P5 activities at the time. She kindly offered an alternative by suggesting that we could send some photos showing the teaching activities in the classroom, which we greatly appreciated. So, after completing the interview and observation, our group began compiling and organizing the data collection, which will be included in our final product, a booklet. This booklet will present the result of the interview alongside the photo of the activities we gathered to provide a clear picture of the learning process at Junior High School 5 Jambi City. Okay, I think that's all my explanation. Thank you. Back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Farah, for the explanation. The last speaker is Cynthia. For the Cynthia, the time is yours.
I, Cinderoni Sinaga, will explain about the results and conclusion our report. About the results, Saturday, November 16, 2024, we start working on the booklet. The process began with searching for an attractive booklet design on Canva. Then we insert the interview data into the booklet. We also arrange each page of the booklet neatly and structured so that it would be easy for readers to understand. After several days of work, finally on Saturday, November 23 to 2024, our booklet product was complete, and there are data we put into the booklet. Number 1, about experience of English teacher. The teacher explained that she has been a teacher at SMP Negeri 5 Jambi City for 1 year and had 15 years of teaching experience in other schools. And the next data about tricks for building effective communication in the classroom. They are providing initial stimulus, using simple language, and providing motivation. And the next data is about challenges in teaching English. There are many students don't have a foundation in English because they have not studied at the elementary school level, and the lack of vocabulary makes it difficult for students to speak or write. And then the low motivation of students to speak because they consider English a difficult subject. And then the lack of exposure to English in the media because students are more interested in Korean pop culture. And the last, difficulty in pronouncing English words due to a lack of listening practice. And the challenges in teaching English described by teachers can be supported by 2 articles that we found. The article, The Challenges of English Language Teaching in Indonesia, and the article, The Effective Communication in Teaching, Diagnostic Study regarding the academic learning motivation to students, also confirms that the importance of effective communication in the classroom often face the obstacles of low motivation, lack of student vocabulary, and lack of basic English at the initial level. And the next data about methods to overcome students' difficulties in communication. They are providing understanding that it's okay to make mistakes while speaking as long as they try. And then helping students improve their pronunciation in a friendly and non-judgmental manner, and then providing incentives in the form of extra points to encourage students to speak or share their opinions. And the next data about ways to provide feedback. There are giving prize, and providing extra points. And the next data is about ways to improve teachers' communication skill. Their discussion with fellow teachers, and then self-study, and also attending training or workshops. The article program for the development of factors of communicative competence of primary schools teachers also states the importance of teacher training to improve communication skills. And the last material is conclusion. In conclusion, the report shows that the effective communication skills of English teacher at SMP Negeri 5 Jambi City are very important in the learning process. Through interviews and observation, it was found that teachers have a good understanding of the concept of effective communication but face some challenges such as lack of training in modern communication techniques and limited supportive resources, and then various good practices have been implemented, such as using technology to support classroom interaction and creating inclusive learning atmosphere. However, challenges such as differences in students' ability to understand the material, lack of vocabulary, low students' interest and motivation, and lack of active students' engagement in learning need to be addressed. It is recommended that schools conduct continuous training to improve teachers' communication skills and provide adequate facilities to support the learning process. With these efforts, it is expected that teachers' communication skills can improve so as to create a more effective and enjoyable learning environment for students. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Cynthia. Okay, thank you, guys. Thank you for your group working and participation. Bye. See you for the next time.